Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log into crypto.com on your desktop or your PC. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, open up your browser as I have done, type in crypto.com or wallet extension. So if you simply would like to simply get the crypto.com to on your PC or laptop, you won't be able to get the app, so you have to simply get the Chrome extension. For that, simply search crypto.com wallet extension. You will get the first search option right away. Tap on that one link, and from over here simply tap on the option of add to Chrome. Now all you gotta do is tap on this add extension and it will simply start downloading, and it will be available on your desktop likewise, and you can use it however you want. It will work sufficiently like on your phone, and you're good to go. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.